Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to pay with Cashapp on Doordash. So in order to pay on Doordash with the help of your Cashapp, you need to link your Cashapp card to Doordash. So for that, just open your Doordash account and here on the home screen, just click on the account at the bottom right corner of your mobile screen. And after that, in accounts, just click on payment methods, and in payments just click on credit and debit card, and after that just enter your Cashapp card details like your Cashapp card number, expiry date, CVC number and zip code. And after that your Cashapp card will be linked to your Doordash account, and after that whenever you shop anything on Doordash you can pay through a Cashapp card. So this is how you pay with Cashapp on Doordash while linking your Cashapp card to your Doordash account. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.